the finished product. Look.
Mine, I wanna know, am I losing my mind? Never let me go.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today, our recipe is kafta in oven. It is meat, but meat siya na mix. Guys, ito yung tinatawag dito sa amin na kafta. Kafta. Meat, minced meat na may mix siya ng parsley and onion and some spices like sweet pepper and 7 spices and black pepper, salt. Yan yung gagamitin natin para sa meat natin today. Kailangan natin ng pan, lagyan natin siya ng oil para mag-fry siya ng konti. Ito ay half kilo. Ayoko kasing mahawakan. Gamit na lang ako ng kutsara. Wait lang. No. Gamit na lang ako ng gloves. Wait lang ha. Kailangan natin siyang i-flatten para siya yung magiging crust ng ating yan. Kung may mas maliit kayo na pan, mas maliit sa ganito, it's better kasi half kilo lang naman siya. Kasi after nito, liliit siya kapag pag masyado malaki yung pan nyo. Okay? That's it. We do like this. And make sure na pantay sila. Alright. And then, yan. Okay na kahit pa paano. And don't forget to put some oil, okay? Kung gusto niyo pa ng mas maalat, you can put any kind of spices that you want or ibang pangpalasa na katulad ng ginagamit natin sa Pilipinas like mga sabor, like magic sarap or something that you like na pangpalasa, pang savory, tagtagan nyo na lang. Pero kasi kami, we're using just only natural flavors. Saka mas healthy yun, diba? But sometimes I use also yung mga pampalasa na yun. Depends sa kind ng niluluto. Ayan, after nito, we need to put in oven. Lalagyan natin siya sa oven and then after na luto na yung medyo ang tawag dito, fried na yung meat, saka natin ilalagay yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin para sa vegetables and the sauces katulad ng tomato with onion and garlic, salt and pepper. Yeah. Ilagay muna natin ito sa oven. While waiting for this, gagawin naman natin yung mga toppings niya, yung gulay. Okay? Stay tuned! Okay guys, now we need this for the sauce. We need garlic, we need onion, and we need tomato, and we need black pepper and salt. We need to grind here para maging sauce, tomato sauce para sa ating kafta sauce. Okay, let's proceed. teaspoon na pakto lang pa. Tapat na lang natin ng konti. That's it. Ito na yung sauce na gagamitin natin para sa kafta na lulutuin natin. And let's proceed na tayo sa mga gulay. Ito yung gulay na kailangan natin. Kailangan natin ng sliced onion, sliced potato, and some bell pepper. Any kind of bell pepper that you want to use it. Green, red, yellow, it's fine. It's okay. It's up to you. Like what I've said before, after malagay natin sa oven, magiging ganyan na siyang look. Diba? Sabi ko, kaya mas kailangan natin yung mas maliit na pan para sakto yung meat. At hindi na siya mas liliit pa. Diba? Now, we have to put the ingredients. Potato. I-wait na lang natin siya na maluto yung lahat ng to, and then that's it. Balikan na lang natin kapag maluluto na siya. Guys, natapos na natin. Heto na yung kinalabasan ng ginawa natin. Malambot na yung potato, and that's it. Look. It's so yummy and very, very fresh. Yan. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. And if you like my videos today, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it if you leave a comment and do a suggestion. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.